Hello. At SpiritualAdventure.net, we help you to face the coronavirus in a spiritual adventure. You can learn that you cannot die, so coronavirus cannot kill you. The body can die, but not you. This is deep spiritual teaching, and you can get this deep spiritual understanding with our programs. With our programs, you can even vanquish that. So you have no fear of that. With our programs, you can get the better karma that even if you don't die now, at least you can eliminate bad karma that will give you bad life in future lives. Bad life means suffering. Suffering, and all kinds of forms of life, not only human forms. Also at SpiritualAdventure.net, you can get the spiritual strength to make your life better. Not just little better, thousands of times, millions of times better, that you can get Sat Chit Ananda. These are the Sanskrit words describing what life should be. It should be eternal bliss, eternally, fully conscious bliss. And the teachings of the great sage of India that we can give you are not just to avoid death, are not just to avoid the problems of coronavirus, but to get what you really need, what you really want, what you really deserve. This life of Satchit Ananda, eternal conscious bliss. So don't waste your time in quarantine for coronavirus by just looking at cheap, childish entertainment. Get into the serious knowledge that can give you seriously the protection and ultimate bliss that you really want, that you really need, that you really deserve.